That was a cheap shot.
Holy fuck! Someone sniping.
Sniping. And somebody killed Burkina.
Ah, puta.
You got shot through.
Hey! Again!
Hey.
Neat!
Can we get only Mosin again on this map after this?
Ask Ori.
Or can we get it? Pretty please.
Only RB.
Mosin only.
Sorry, what do you say?
C4.
Mosin only.
C4 only.
C4 only.
What the fuck?
Deagles here though.
You have no deagles here.
Oh.
Watch out for anything.
Dash is northeast.
Oh shit.
Somewhere high.
What the fuck, Ash?
What the fuck was that? Jeez Louise.
He just disappears in void.
I just swallowed my mic.
I was thinking something
else?
else, but never mind.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Wow,
Red got me.
aggressive.
Egg shot. Egg shot.
Egg shot.
Egg shot is like telling that I shot your balls, Cash.
Headshot.
No, you literally shot his egg.
Stop shooting me!
North. South highest building.
Oh.
Driver.
Oh, sorry.
Why?
Sorry. I'm in a reflex mode. Now it's your reflex already. That's why.
I just saw a Wookiee running across the street. What the fuck?
A Wookiee?
Wookiee.
Shot. I actually jumped.
I just knife.
Did you just knife someone?
Yeah.
He
Nice.
knifed me.
Are you gonna go off with your victory rank?
Do the victory wank now.
Did you just?
Oh, I got my window.
Oh, nice shot. Zonda is running around bare naked, so
Bare naked.
What does that mean?
Shoot his balls. Shoot his eggs.
Was it my player skin?
Oh my god! I just killed you. I just saw that.
After 5 tries, I managed to kill Zonda.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
that sounds like
fucking
slightly
sad.
depressing.
They can't. Ow.
Ooh.
Wait, that was you?
Yeah. I recorded it. I'll show you later. It's like clearly you can see where you're coming from.
I thought after 5 tries, I managed to kill Zonda.
Fine, guys. Wow,
Yes,
that's
sir.
just sad.
That sounds
That's
like
just
slightly
sad.
depressing.
sad.
They can't compete with the PvP guy. Ow.
Ooh. Get away from me.
Go away. Go away.
Nope.
Go away. Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Found me.
Rocket switch from northeast, east.
I hear chickens.
Yeah, that's curry.
Chicken. Security chicken.
That one is lechon.
Okay, downstairs.
One is curry.
Stop switching rockets, please.
Everybody is having PTSD because of that.
Will you calm the fuck down with that rocket?
They saw me. Okay. I guess I'm gonna run.
Go away.
Go
Go
away.
away.
Of course.
Wait,
That
that's
C4 was meant for me.
It was a random throw, but yeah, you do yourself.
Yeah,
Just a random throw.
premature I mean, celebration.
premature shell ejaculation.
Premature celebration.
Okay. I believe you.
Ah,
Oh, FPS drop.
Ah! Someone's at an... Yep, northeast. Dead. Nice,
Somebody
RB.
found the Viet Cong to stop firing rockets.
No promise.
No
That's
promises.
a part of my
steps
culture.
west.
Okay, rooftop. South.
Rooftop Koreans.
Modern group top Viet Cong.
Rooftop Vietcong. 3, 2, 1.
We lost.
Victory.
I only got freaking Moss kills. Okay.
All of your kills are from the mouse.
Exploder. Yeah, no
All
shit.
skills.
Hmm.
Oh shit, son of.
Of course.
Viet
the
We
Cong.
should go Molson and Lidl next round.
I don't think any one of us using bolt action.
Yeah, no, I'm switching now.
Me too. After I die. If I die. Ooh.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey,
I kid. I will die.
It's not a
no
bolt
full
action.
auto.
No full auto on buildings.
Can you stop sniping me? Thank you.
Oh,
Gave you a free haircut.
oh.
Oh, you shot me through my heart.
Dun.
Deserve that. Like, no shit, I deserve that.
Hey, come out that window. Oh fuck.
Hey, what?
That was nice.
That wasn't you though. I think.
It was.
Was it? Oh yeah. Wait, what? How then?
I think. I don't know. I definitely saw you before you saw me. I guess so. Oh.
We were just
Oh.
staring at each other.
Yeah.
Gay.
Mm.
Wait, what? You
Okay.
Oh.
Hey, come out that window. Oh fuck.
Hey, what?
Innuendo.
come on, shoot me! Where
Yeah.
the fuck
Shoot
are you?
once and then make the sound effect.
You're basically begging someone to shoot you.
I already hit you. Now what?
March.
Looks like me.
Hey!
Oh my god.
You can't. Ow. That was a 5.56.
That's a very fast firing automatic. I mean, set bolt action.
Oh.
Wait,
Why are you creeping down there?
Yes. Because I can.
Looking for you.
You were presenting your butt to me.
I see.
Oh my.
Would you like it again or?
Ooh.
Hello.
They say that you don't hear the bullet that gets you. I did not hear that.
Hello.
Well, because I was using silencer.
Suppressor, yeah.
Fucking hell! Oh no!
What? What?
I had that on record.
Hello.
RB's
coming
MLG
for you.
confirmed.
I'm coming for you, RB.
Should have recorded that.
He's spectating you though. Oh fuck off!
Damn.
Hardware, I hate you!
Bliat!
I'm gonna hunt you down, Heartbreak.
No.
oh shit. I fucked up. I
That
fucked up.
is... Yep.
No rice confirmed.
Lost, lost.
Story of Filipinos.
Story of the Australian Special Forces.
Okay,
Flank the
see.
Vietnamese! Flank the Vietnamese!
I found the Viet Cong.
Flank them!
Castrate him.
Throw napalm.
You can't get me. You
Tokan.
can't
Tokan.
get me.
Purple Tokan.
I see someone crawling.
Please don't shoot the guy crawling. Please don't shoot the guy crawling. Please don't shoot the guy.
Hello.
Do it.
Aye! Wow,
Friendly
that
would
was fast.
go. Friendly would go. Friendly would go. Don't worry.
I'm jealous.
The Vietnam with the Viet Cong.
Nguyen.
It's the fucking.
Southwest west.
Ah.
Thank you.
GG.
More? More.
Oh. Ah, anti-mag.
Saw that.
I saw that too.
Hey!
Okay.
Come out with your hands
Just
up in the
flat.
air and we won't shoot you.
No. I.
What? Did you just burn yourself?
Proper bolt actions only.
Most headshot.
We might have. Welcome to FPS Russia.
Oh. Team deathmatch. Alright.
Oh my god.
I have here the Crit Vector.
Can I?
Very nice.
Can I continue using the rocket launcher?
No, deny.
Wow. That's good. That's.
I'm being racist now.
So grenade launcher.
Let me think about that. No. Oh, wow. Okay, it really
Mosin?
is.
Nosy.
Mochin.
Okay.
Red is fuck up.
That's it? Bolt action and that's all? Nothing else?
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
my god, this is a fucking
You,
disaster.
you can run with the Glock 18 if you want.
Can?
You can run with the Glock 18.
Yo,
the, Glock,
what?
the Glock 18 is full automatic.
Oh,
And
okay.
that's illegal.
Yeah, no full auto in
That's
buildings,
illegal.
man.
It's permitted.
Okay, I think I've just given Red
Idea.
to play.
How many rounds does this have?
5.
5.
But you can prematurely
Hey.
reload it.
Nice, nice, nice.
Can prematurely eject? Okay.
Got baited.
Reload it.
Premature
Ouch.
cell ejaculation.
Premature ejection.
Premature rejection.
Whoa.
Oh.
Also
Hi.
known as the friend zone.
Friend zone is just a fancy.
Fancy term for being rejected.
Yeah.
I stuck myself.
I stuck.
Myself.
It's a fancy term for in denial. Oh,
Wow.
I
Oh.
got you both with one bullet.
term for in denial. Oh!
Wow.
Oh.
Nope.
Shot.
Hi, Stuck. Where are you? I will help you out of your misery.
No, you also
Just type kill in the
All right.
console.
I mean, I can do it anyway.
RPG.
I do not associate with skins.
Hey, where?
Everywhere.
Okay, I see you.
The most obvious
Northwest,
position.
northwest, north on top of the rooftop.
Deep water, my friend.
This map is huge.
What? Zonta is on northwest.
Sorry, brother.
Heartbreak.
Is. second floor, southeast, 127. Next to you, Zonda.
Next to me, yes. Ah,
The
there.
left, in the alleyway. Nice.
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 Uh-oh. Northeast, northeast.
Northeast. I hear freaking motion shot firing at me. I'm trying to
And
look.
me too. I have no
Southeast
rounds
is-
left.
Southeast is. Finally, you got me. How many shots do you need?
2, just 1.
Yes.
Wait, so I was being shot at by 2 guys? Interesting.
I think that would have been me. Sorry.
You gotta be kidding me, right?
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Ah.
Fucking hell. The score difference.
I cannot do bow action. I think I'm out. I really cannot.
Alright, we shall switch back.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ori, put me out of my misery. I really don't like bolt 10.
Yeah. Oh, okay. What you want to change?
Missing and only.
Just like a normal game, I guess.
Normal one, like just now.
No more, no more.
Bye.
Peter is not satisfied.
I mean, you can join the winning team if you want.
It's okay. I'm not a Peter.
Winner? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay.
you need to dig your ears.
This map.
You need my gun. You need my help with my gun to dig your ears.
Oh,
Maybe a ear shot will help.
EPK.
Are you sure about your 420 and 400?
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, I couldn't see anything.
Someone shooting at me.
No, someone gave you a love tap.
Look.
Hi.
Guys.
I'm just taking a break from a bit. You salty. Rest in. I'm drinking.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go after this. I'm tired already.
Right.
What? Hey!
It's okay, it's Red's last game.
My last game. I'm gonna go after this. I'm tired. Southwest West.
And you know what Red's last game means?
What?
It's everyone's last game.
What? Don't let that happen, you guys. It's your choice.
No, I mean it's damn late on.
No, that's just how
Yeah.
that's just how we work. It's K. Boom.
Holy shit, that's flashbang.
Wow. Nice flash, bro.
Thanks.
Yes.
Are you over 18? If not, that'd be illegal flash.
Even better.
Even better.
Oh,
Wow.
Nine. But let's just all fight in the middle.
Okay, North, there's one.
Ooh.
Okay, What?
I no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Wait, were you on the bridge?
You could give me a shot. I was daydreaming for a bit. I'm tired
No,
already.
Bridge.
upstairs.
I almost shot Arby.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh,
Nope.
Cash. Oh, by 1 point. What the fuck?
Wow, 1 point. Clutch.
Yep.
Nice game.
Good
Nice
game. Good
game.
game.
GG.
GG.
RB with 29 kills.
RV is a toxic Pinoy. Unleashing his
yeah, but
toxicness.
Yes,
Eh.
putang ina nyo.
Tangina mo, gago.
Nice game, guys.
Okay, good night.
Yeah. Nice.
Northwest, north.
I don't know. Reach below.
Hide.
Oh,
Fucking hell. Oh.
nope.
Oh, okay.